Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons easy for beginners. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need finely ground almond flour, powdered sugar, and aged egg whites. It's crucial that all your ingredients are at room temperature before you start, especially the egg whites. Precision is key in macaron making, so using a kitchen scale for accurate measurements will set you up for success right from the start. This ensures consistent results every time. Next, we'll create the meringue and macaronage. Start by whipping your egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks, gradually adding granulated sugar. Then, carefully fold your sifted almond flour and powdered sugar into the meringue. This process, called macaronage, is vital. You're looking for a batter that flows like slow-moving lava, forming a ribbon when dropped from your spatula. This consistency is perfect for piping smooth, even shells. Now for the fun part, piping and baking. Use a round tip to pipe uniform circles onto parchment-lined baking sheets. After piping, firmly tap the baking sheets on your counter a few times to release any trapped air bubbles. This helps prevent hollow shells. Let your piped macarons rest until a skin forms, then bake them in a preheated oven at about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep a close eye on them for those signature feet to appear. Finally, the delicious reward. Once your macaron shells are completely cooled, it's time to fill them. You can use a variety of fillings like buttercream, ganache, or your favorite fruit jam. Pipe a generous amount onto one shell and gently sandwich it with another. Macarons taste even better after maturing in the fridge for 24 hours. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, delightful macarons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.